Them and it. A rubbish. Yeah, then we did rubbish. No, we want Today we have a mystery tackle box.
Mystery tackle, you got it right this time. Good job.
Because I read it first.
Because you read it first. Alright, we're going to make this quick and short and sweet. Got this today. What's today? The 7th, I think.
Yeah.
Ooh. As usual, you got the dibble and the what's inside. Joe gets the what's inside. Alright. Short and sweet.
Headbanger shad.
The Headbanger Shad.
$14.99. Oh, dang. All dropping things.
Ooh. Headbanger Shad. Sinking. 4.5 inch. I don't know what color it is. There you go. I don't know about that. It's like a swim bait / hard bait with a free moving head. How much is that?
It's
$15. No way I'd buy that for $15.
Okay, ready?
That's not off to a good start in my opinion. Go ahead.
Okay. Jenko CD7, $10.
Jenko CD7. Silent, medium diving crankbait. Root beer shad color. I think that'll work. I do like that. How much is that?
It's
$10? Man. $10 for that little crankbait. Alright. What's next?
Big Bite Baits Pro Swimmer, $7.
Big Bite Baits Pro Swimmer. Oh, just some swim baits. I'm alright with that. These seem to go pretty quickly, so that's good. Just a clear / pearl color. How much is that?
It's $7.
$7. That's about right. What's next?
Z-Man Cross-Eyes Power Finesse Jig.
Z-Man Cross-Eyes Power Finesse Jig. How much?
$5.
$5. 1/4 ounce. PB&J color. That's a nice little jig.
Yeah.
2/0 hook. Hard to tell what color that is. No, not good. There you go. PB&J. So purple and brown. What's next?
Bruiser Baits Crazy Craw. It's $2.
Bruiser Baits Crazy Craw Deep Oaky. So black and blue. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. For how much?
For $2.
4 of them for $2. That's not too bad. I mean, that'll probably work on some jigs and stuff. What's next?
The last one, Harmony Fishing Company Razor Series EWG hooks.
Harmony Fishing Company Extra Wide Gap hooks.
Those are massive.
Pretty good.
They're for $2.
$2 for 3 of them. Interesting. Well, I wouldn't necessarily say that's the best box we ever got, but it's not a horrible box, except for that $15 Headbanger Shad. If any of you guys have used one of those before, let me know how that works, because I'm probably not even going to try it, to be honest with you. We did get a Carl's catalog. Got a coupon, Some other information. Ooh. Reels. And a wish list on the back because Christmas is coming up. That's pretty cool. And last but not least, the sticker. That's a pretty sweet sticker.
Yeah.
I like that. Might go on the truck. That's pretty cool. Alright, anything you want to tell them? That was pretty short. 5 minutes.
Can I show him something?
What do you want to show them? Yeah, we'll end the video and then I'll take a video of you doing a backflip. I want to show you guys a backflip, so we're going to throw that into the video. As always, my phone, I should have put it on silent. As always, we appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video if you wouldn't mind doing so. We greatly appreciate it. Specifically, just liking the video. You don't have to comment, you don't have to share it. Just like the video so more people can see it. As always, take a kid fishing. Teach him how to fish. It'll last a lifetime, and the memories will always be there, right? Mm-hmm. All right. All right. Nothing else you want to tell them? Mm-mm. All right. Thank you guys for watching.
There, that's better.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh man, I missed it. Do it again.